Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by making the metal reachable and safe. Disconnect the battery and wear gloves and goggles. Once done, degrease the part with a solvent, rinse or wipe dry, and mask adjacent painted areas with tape to avoid damage. Make sure to choose an abrasive sequence: coarse compound, medium polish, then finishing polish, and assemble pads and a variable speed drill or rotary. You'll begin with the most aggressive cut only where oxidation is present, keeping motion steady and even to remove pitting and scale. You now refine the surface by sanding through progressive grits, typically 400 to 1,200, using water as lubrication to prevent scratches. Make long, overlapping strokes to flatten pits. Once the scratches are uniform, apply compound with a firm pad on low speed and maintain continuous motion to avoid heat buildup that can warp or darken the metal. After that, change to a softer pad with finishing polish and buff until reflections sharpen. Make sure to remove all slurry and inspect under directional light for remaining defects. You finish by cleaning the surface with solvent, then apply a thin protective coating such as clear lacquer or a metal sealant to lock in the shine. Allow proper cure time per product instructions. Once cured, reassemble components, verify clearances, and torque fasteners to spec. If you see persistent haze or micro-marring, don't panic. Rework only the affected area with a finishing compound and soft pad, slow speed, and light pressure. This targeted repolish fixes most issues without redoing the entire job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.